Ni Kenya biro yudo loch odiochieng' ma kiny e tukgi mar ariyo e tuke mag Mapinduzi Cup bang' wuok amodhi gol 1-1 gi tim mar Burkina Faso. E tugo mokwongo gi Burkina Faso chieng' Ngeso, Kenya nowuok amodhi mar gol 1-1 tugo no manobagi alap ma Gombani Stadium ma Zanzibar. Kenya biro rakore gi Tanzania e tukgi mar ariyo odiochieng' ma kiny. Tim mar Tanzania mong'ere kaka Kilimanjaro Stars bende kumachielo nyaka yud loch e kindgi gi Kenya bang' tim mar Zanzibar ma gin jobag tukegi loyo gi gol 1-0 e tukgi mokwongo.
The most important thing is for us to know that competition kama easy. If we continue working hard and being smart also, we can move forward as a team. The result, despite for us not getting the maximum 3 points, I believe is a good start in atuonyesha the direction. We also know that where we went, we didn't do the right things, so it's all about correcting. That is football.
We are very positive about them. We are encouraging them more. We know that they need to improve a lot, on controlling their emotional excitement, within the game when they are leading. Because I believe also the next match they are capable of scoring. So it's only about how do we manage the game when we score. They are very motivated. They want to fight.